Today we have a 1965 Stihl OAS.
The OAS was widely used across the high industry due to it being reliable and tough. It also shared the engine with many other Stihl machines, like this brush cutter for instance. This made fleet maintenance much easier. The first chainsaws we had at Kennards were McCulloch's, but they were really unreliable and quite difficult to use. So we trialled the OAS, which proved its reliability and ease of use for our often inexperienced customers. It then became the core chainsaw in our fleet from 1970 all the way to 2006. Unfortunately, there is one issue: safety. The OAS was not exactly built with safety features like we see on today's chainsaws. There was no chain brake to stop kickback and no anti-vibration on the handle. So plenty personal protective equipment is recommended.
Now, let's see it in action, but first, let's get our safety gear on because we take safety very serious.
Now that's safety out of the way, let's start her up.
Thanks for watching, see you next time.